welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm Chavi Sompura. Rounds of severe weather to escalate in central eastern US during mid-May. As pockets of severe weather continue in parts of eastern and central United States during the first part of this week, a broader and bigger risk of severe weather that includes tornadoes may evolve towards the middle of May and beyond, AccuWeather meteorologists warn. Storms will pulse and become severe at the local level, spreading from parts of the southeast to the mid-Atlantic region this week. Widespread severe weather is not anticipated in this zone daily for most of the week. However, there can still be scattered storms with powerful wind gusts and a couple of tornadoes. The main problem farther to the north in the east will be associated with flooding downpours during the middle days of the week. Farther west, the seeds of more substantial severe weather problem will begin over the northern plains. This occurs as cooler air and a jet stream dip push into the sea of unusually hot air so early in the season. The main threat from the storms into Sunday night, stretching from Idaho to northern Utah to northwestern Wyoming, much of Montana and western North Dakota, will be from large hail and powerful wind gusts. Somewhat of a lull in thunderstorm activity may occur over the north-central states on Monday and Tuesday, but that will change during the middle days of the week. As cooler air from the northwest lunges across the northern plains, a new thunderstorm will erupt during Wednesday afternoon and night from the Dakotas to Nebraska and as far as east parts of Minnesota and lower. AccuWeather meteorologists are already expecting numerous thunderstorms on Thursday from much of Illinois to eastern Iowa, northwestern Missouri, western Indiana and southern Wisconsin. Some of the major cities at risk for severe weather ranging from significant hail and high winds to flash flooding and tornadoes include Chicago, St. Louis, Indianapolis and Des Moines, Iowa. The severe weather potential that includes tornadoes will be centered on the Tennessee Valley and the lower portion of Mississippi Valley, but includes portions of Ohio Valley and parts of East Coast. Perhaps close to 20 states may be at risk at some point. Later next weekend to the start of the following week, the threat may jump westward to include much of the central and southern plains to portions of middle and lower Mississippi Valley. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.